Create a new document. My artboard is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select the rectangle tool. Select no color for the fill. And pick a stroke color. I use a stroke weight of 2. Press Shift and create a square. Press Shift and rotate the square 45 degrees. Select the left and right corner and make them round. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Make the horizontal scale 70%. Select Scale Strokes and Effects. Make 15 copies. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Select Apply New Effect. Select the point at the bottom. Make the angle 45 degrees. And make 7 copies. Go to Object. Expand Appearance. You can now move and resize the flower. And that's how you create a line flower.